What's up, guys? This is Len and welcome to week 15 on MINOXIDIL update. Let's get to this, guys. Welcome back, guys. This is week 15 on MINOXIDIL update. I just like to thank you for watching my videos, also for liking the videos, not forgetting those who comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for doing that. I really appreciate it. Now, before I go any further, I just want to let you know, guys, I've been consistent throughout this whole 2 weeks. Now, my beard was not like this, people. My beard was not like this. It's growing and I'm loving it. If you wanna see the progress of my beard when I started, you can check out this video whereby I show you the routine and also my pictures from day 1 with MINOXIDIL till the 3rd month with MINOXIDIL. Now, before I go any further, let me just show you the gains, because this is what you're here for. So this is my weaker side. This is my weaker side, people. Unfortunately, I'm starting to have some acne this side. Let me just zoom in. I'm starting to have some acne, but the beard is coming alright. So I don't have patches on this side. This check, I really don't have patches. And then this is my front. Now I'm starting to see some connectors here. I last time trimmed my mustache because my barber messed them up, so it's growing back and these connectors are coming alright. I don't know, probably it's MINOXIDIL plus Demerolling. I think it's MINOXIDIL plus Demerolling. Yeah, I'm have some action under the lip. Now let me show you under my chin. Under my chin I'm still having some open spaces there, so hopefully as I apply the MINOXIDIL this will get thicker. Now on this side though, it's my stronger side, people. This is my stronger side. I like the fact that it doesn't have acne and it is the strongest side when I look at the mirror. Now I used to have a patch here. This patch was big. Now it's closing up bit by bit because I demerol a lot here and I apply too much MINOXIDIL on this side. So I'm really happy that it's closing up. It's closing up. Oh, now this is my beard, guys. This is my beard. Please check it out. I'm not gonna touch it till next month. So guys, I hope you saw my beard, and as you can see, it's growing very nicely, people. If you really like what I'm doing here or the videos that I'm posting here, or you really want to follow my journey, please subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to hit like for this video if you really liked it. If you want to see some of my videos where I upload my weekly updates, you can check my videos this side. Till next time, guys, thank you for watching and cheers.